Chapter 2. Where do babies come from? Get set. Solve these riddles. Take help from the box. Paternal aunt, maternal uncle, paternal grandparents. 1. Your father's brother is your paternal uncle. Your mother's brother will be your. 2. Your mother's parents are your maternal grandparents. Your father's parents are your. 3. You call your mother's sister your maternal aunt. Your father's sister will be your. The new baby. Simmi is happy today. Dadi has just told her that her mother will soon come home with her new baby brother. Her Dadi is in the hospital with her mother to take care of her mother and brother. Simmi will be going to the hospital to meet them in the evening. In the hospital, Simmi asked her Dadi about the baby. Dadi, where did mom bring my brother from? Simmi, your little brother was in your mother's womb for 9 months. Why did he not come out earlier? He was growing there. Now that he is old enough, he has come out. How did he eat inside mom's tummy? Simmi, he was joined with the mother with a tube. This tube passes food and water from the mother to the baby. Was I also born this way? Yes, my little one, all of us are born in this way. All babies come from their mother's body. The process by which the living beings produce more of their kind is called reproduction. Animals give birth to babies in 2 ways. Some animals give birth to young ones while others produce eggs, from which the young ones hatch. The animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Cats and dogs are some examples of mammals. A human baby stays inside the mother's womb for 9 months. It gets its food from the mother's body through a tube present inside the mother's body. As the baby grows, it starts moving inside the womb. When it is big enough and is ready to take birth, it comes out from its mother's body. A mother and her baby poses a natural relationship. All the mothers know how to nurse their children. Not only human beings, but female animals also care equally for their young ones. Bitches, lionesses, etc. care for their young ones and protect them from any danger. Change in the family tree. When a new member arrives in the family, there is a change in the family tree. How will Simmi's family tree look like now? Did you know? The study of family history and ancestors is called genealogy. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, Simmi, Simmi's brother. Adopting a child. Have you ever thought about those children who lose their parents at an early age? Such children are usually taken to a place called as orphanage. A procedure in which a couple becomes the legal caretaker of a child who is not born by them is called adoption. The parents who adopt the child are called as the adoptive of the child. Mr. and Mrs. Bond could not have a baby, so they adopted a baby girl from an orphanage. They provide all the facilities to the baby girl and treat her as their own child. Now, think about some other situations when people choose to adopt children. Share your thoughts with your friends about such situations. Foster parents. Some children are adopted by the people for a short time. There are families that take another person's child without becoming the child's legal parents. Such parents are called foster parents. Rama's maid had a son who was very good at studies. The maid had to go back to her village after her husband died. But she did not want to take her child with her as her village was in a remote area and there were no good schools. Rama took over the responsibility of his education and gave him a room in her outhouse to stay. Soon he would be giving his class 12 exams. He has been a topper throughout and is now even getting scholarship to study further. Rama has been a foster parent to him. He respects her very much. My mother's childhood. During earlier times, people used to play traditional games such as gilli danda, marbles, etc. But nowadays, people have no idea about these games. The children nowadays are busy playing video games. In the earlier times, most of the people used to live in a joint family. Everybody used to share their work. Girls used to learn things like knitting and sewing. Today, the study patterns have also changed with time. Knitting, sewing, gilli danda, a traditional game, video game. Changes seen when we grow up. Ritu's father now looks very different from what he used to look when he was very young. In old pictures, even Ritu's grandfather looked different. He was very much younger than he is now. Now he has white hair and has grown old. Ritu's father tells her that people change as they grow. Their looks, behavior, and lifestyle change with time. Summary: all babies come from their mother's body. The process by which the living beings produce more of their kind is called reproduction. The animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. A human baby stays inside the mother's womb for 9 months. Adoption is the process by which a family makes a child its own legally. The children who are taken into families without legally adopting them are called foster children. Exercise. A. Take the correct option. 1. A mother and her baby poses a relationship. A. Natural. B. Artificial. C. Equal. 2. The parents who adopt a child is called A. Orphanage. B. Adoptive parents. C. Adoption. 3. During earlier times, which traditional game people used to play? A. Hockey. B. Gilli danda. C. Cricket. 4. What changes appear when people grow? A. Sewing. B. Natural. C. Looks. 5. The study of family history and ancestors is called A. Reproduction. B. Genealogy. C. Orphanage. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The process by which the living beings produce more of their own kind is called 2. The animals that give birth to young ones are called 3. The children who lose their parents at an early age are usually taken to a place called as 4. Earlier, most of the people used to live in a family. 5. A human baby stays inside the mother's womb for months. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. All babies come from their mother's body. 2. A mother and her baby poses a natural relationship. 3. The size of a family cannot change over the years. 4. All animals give birth to babies. 5. Foster parents do not legally adopt their children. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is reproduction? 2. In what ways do animals give birth to babies? 3. What is adoption? 4. What is the difference between the games which people played earlier than the games which are played nowadays? 5. What are the changes that can be observed when people grow? Activity. Read the description and write the correct name in the box with the help of picture clues. 1. They are mammals but they lay eggs. When their babies hatch, They feed their babies with their own milk like other mammals. 2. They are mammals and do not lay eggs but give birth to babies. The mother is very protective and feeds the babies with her milk. She looks after the pups till they are old enough to look after themselves. 3. They lay their eggs in a nest which are made in different shapes and sizes. The parents take care for the chicks till they learn to fly and be independent. 4. They lay their eggs on the ground. The eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun. 5. They live both in water and on land. Their female lays eggs in the water, which are called spawn. The babies that come out are called tadpoles, which look more like fish. 6. They lay thousands of eggs in a safe place in water, but only a few grow up to be an adult. Life skill. Imagine that your uncle's family comes to live in your house for a few days. How would you behave with them? Tick the correct options according to your choice. 1. Be understanding and kind to them. 2. Ignore them and be involved in your daily routine. 3. Be rude to them as you are not used to sharing your things with others. 4. Spend quality time with them. 5. Help them feel comfortable in your house.